In this video, we will show you how to install door rails and door rail braces on your polytunnel, which are used to support the door frame and doors. We will start by fitting the door rail, then the door rail braces. Here are the parts you'll need. The door rail spans across the width of your polytunnel on the end hoops. Door rails are supplied in two pieces. One is 1.57 meters long and is flattened at one end and plain on the opposite end. The second piece is 50 centimeters long and is flat at one end and swaged at the opposite. Connect the tubes together by locating the swaged ends in the plain ends. Secure the two pieces together with self-drilling screws 4 centimeters from the joint, ensuring that both flattened ends are in line. Fit a Q-clip to one side of the hoop, approximately head height. Locate the flat end of the assembled door rail to the Q-clip. Push a bolt through the hole and loosely secure in place. Position another Q-clip on the opposite side of the hoop. Locate the flat end to the Q-clip, push a bolt through the hole and loosely secure in place. We need to ensure the door rail is level. Place a spirit level on the door rail and adjust accordingly. Once the door rail is level, firmly tighten the nuts on both Q-clips. Now we will fit the door rail diagonal braces. Door rail diagonal braces span from the door rail to the central ridge. There is one diagonal brace per end. Door rail diagonal braces are 30 centimeters long and are flat at both ends. Fit a Q-clip to the central ridge. Fit another Q-clip to the door rail. Locate one end to the Q-clip on the central ridge and loosely secure in place with a bolt and nut. Now locate the opposite end to the Q-clip on the door rail and firmly tighten. Adjust the Q-clip so that the door rail is level and the diagonal brace is not pushing the door rail down nor pulling it up. Then firmly tighten the Q-clip. Repeat this process to fit the door rail on the opposite end of your polytunnel. You can find more videos to help you build your polytunnel and construct.firsttunnels.co.uk. We also have a construction helpline if you require any further assistance.